There is no better time to start making money with your drone than now. I'm talking an extra $500 plus or more every month, and you don't even need much to get started. Not even this pricier Mavic 3 that I have right here. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 different ways on how you can start earning money with your drone. Stay tuned to learn more. Hey guys, Dylan Gorman here. Welcome back to another video. And for a little context on who I am, I've been a commercial drone pilot for the last 5 years where I have generated well over $2 million in contracts with my drone. And I've had the pleasure of working with many different drone pilots who started with whatever drone they could get their hands on to now performing consistently paying jobs every single week. The reason I bring this up is because many of them started where you are today, and that's figuring out how to even make money with your drone rather than just flying it for fun. So let's break this down and talk about 5 different ways you can start earning money with your drone today. The first way to start making money with your drone is quite simple, and it may seem like an obvious one, but it's often the most overlooked one, and that is by working with direct relationships you may already have, whether they are close friends or families or mutual ones. I like to categorize this as your local businesses. Starting on any small business that you start, you will need to rely on friends and family or mutual connections to help you get the initial boost to start your business career. Now, this may sound dumb, but I promise you this is where it all begins. And let me give you an example of how I got my career started by doing the very same thing. Back in early 2019, a friend of mine introduced me to someone who 7 months later would become my business partner. He gave me the opportunity to make a few $100s for a very simple drone job that needed to be done. Come to find out, this contact was already doing drone work for their client, but knew that I had better capabilities when it came to producing good cinematography for the commercial property showcase. Fast forward a few months, and that client wanted more, which is how my soon-to-be business partner suggested that we start offering other services, to which led me down the world of drone mapping and progress updates. Long story short, that initial relationship that I built essentially became the origin of how I truly became a full-time drone pilot, providing services every single week to clients all over the state of Florida, and ended up having to hire contract pilots in several other states. By building strong relationships with your family and friends and offering services as simple as taking a few photos for their business or mutual business relations, you are essentially taking the right steps at developing your service offerings, getting more comfortable with your drone, and building skills that are needed to progress your capabilities to grow your small business from nothing into something. And remember, you don't need to be offering crazy services like 3D mapping and photogrammetry. Simple photo and video services are all you really need to get the initial start. The second way to start making money with your drone is by offering aerial photography and videography services in the real estate industry. Now, this can build off of the first tip that I gave you if you have a family member or a friend that is a real estate broker. And again, this doesn't have to be anything crazy at all. And in fact, before I even offered mapping and photogrammetry services to the commercial real estate company, I started off by working with my best friend's dad, who was a residential real estate broker, to capture aerial photos and videos for homes that he was selling. Now, I do want to preface this by saying doing real estate photography is not going to make you thousands of dollars a month unless you can get 10 to 15 homes a week, as it's a very saturated market. And honestly, a lot of real estate photographers are not flying their drones 100% legal, meaning they don't have a Part 107 certification, which allows them to charge money for drone services. Having your Part 107 is essential for any of the tips that I will be giving you in this video. Lastly, just because the market is saturated does not mean you won't be able to make money in it. Again, this comes with building and leveraging relationships with people in the residential real estate industry to start. As for what to charge them, well, you can start as low as $75 and go up to $350 to $400 per property, depending on the size and the quality and quantity of images and videos that you provide. Another way to make money with your drone is to join a drone provider network, or better known as DPN. DPNs make up about 70 to 80% of the jobs that are awarded within the industry. What exactly do I mean by that? Well, oftentimes when a big corporation is looking for a lot of drone work across a portfolio of locations, they know they can't rely on one drone service provider, known as DSP, to cover all their locations in a cost and time-effective manner. So they will lean towards a DPN to contract out big projects to. The DPN will then distribute the jobs on a bidding or RFP sense to the pilots that are approved in the network to go and complete the task at hand. So why would you want to join one of these DPNs? For one, it is far easier to get a job on there than to try and convince a company to pay for your services outright, especially if they need a scalable option for future growth. Additionally, the DPN is doing all the hard work on the front end to win the client, and all you need to do is capture the data and get paid. Typically, all the software is covered on the DPN side, and you just need to have the right equipment to capture the data properly. Some of these jobs range from simple aerial photos and videos to mapping jobs and even inspection-based jobs. There are a lot of various opportunities that pop up on these platforms. Just to name a few, here are some of the most well-known DPNs that exist here within the US. ZiteView, DroneUp, FlyGuys, Connexacore, and VTS. Before we talk about the last 2 ways to make money with your drone, I want to mention that starting late August and ending in early December, I'll be on the road hosting drone photogrammetry and mapping workshops all across the country. If you want to learn a new technical skill, get hands-on, and connect with other industry enthusiasts, this is the place to be. I'm also visiting over 20+ different cities where I'll be hosting LiDAR demonstration workshops where you can learn all about aerial LiDAR and slam capture. So be sure to check the description for more information on where and how you can attend. Inspection services are only becoming more prominent as we continue to gain access to more tools like drones and small handheld scanners. With this concept in mind, this is the 4th way to make money with your drone. Now, I want you to keep in mind that this is not the easiest sell, but one that will require some creativity on how you pitch drone inspections as a service. The first thing that you have to do is figure out what industry you want to offer drone inspection services in, as there are many ways you can use the drone platform to perform those inspections. A very simple one would be for engineering firms. Here in the state of Florida, especially down south in Miami, the need for building inspections is only becoming more apparent with the extreme weather conditions that come through during hurricane seasons. In order for these engineers to complete a proper inspection, or really a traditional inspection, requires them to spend days, if not weeks, scaling buildings and documenting everything by hand. Using a drone, you can capture an entire building to scale, process it in a software like Key, and allow the engineers to perform a remote inspection without having to scale the building physically. Now, that is just one example of an inspection service. A few others off the top of my head would be for a roofing company or a landscaping company, where you can build a profile of the current landscaping on a property, and then they can superimpose their new floral layout on your map that you generated. Again, this is one that you will need to be creative on when coming up with inspection services. Similar to signing up to be part of a DPN, being a subcontractor for an already existing DSP is a great way to also make money with your drone. Believe it or not, but this is one of the most overlooked routes that most drone pilots don't take, as they would rather work for themselves than for somebody else. However, contrary to popular belief, a lot of DSPs have a need for drone pilots, even if it's for very simple tasks. I, for one, have a prime example of being the DSP and needing to hire other drone pilots to complete projects for us. Back in 2020, we had several projects ongoing outside of the state of Florida. I ended up having to hire a few drone pilots in states like New York, Illinois, and Texas to complete about 50+ mapping projects for a client that needed it all to be done in 3 weeks. It would have been impossible for me to complete the entire project without the help of the other pilots who I had hired. The best part about this is being able to grow your connections and your own ways of making money with your drone. Not only do you get to get paid for flying your drone, but you also have established your ability in being able to provide a service and build a new relationship within the industry. By leveraging opportunities like that, you'll never know what will come up down the road. The key to being able to make money with your drone in this sense is being able to build and grow your relationships for your own business. And that's exactly how I grew within this industry. I hope you're able to pick up a few new tips on how to make money with your drone within this industry. As new technology continues to evolve and come out, making it easier than ever to get started in this industry, it's up to you to really challenge yourself and find the unique opportunities and industries that are leveraging this technology. If you guys want to learn more about what you can do with your drone, be sure to subscribe to my channel for all the free educational content that I've already posted and will continue to post in the future. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you want to continue the discussion or have any questions, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.